Hi folks, we have a great installation with the unbelievable, can I show you?
Okay.
With the unbelievable, dynamic, amazing, and fantastic Master Carpenter.
Oh my
Shannon
God, wait,
Zabawa.
I had to take my glasses off.
And me, and we just installed this system. Here's the Sony 75-inch Android television, Definitive Technology center channel, Definitive Technology BP. The reason why they're called BPs is because they got subwoofers built into them, these speakers. And there's the other speaker. And here's the entertainment cabinet. And there is the Sony Blu-ray. There is the Xfinity cable box. There's the Pioneer Elite receiver. And we installed all of this. We also installed in three other rooms, but we're not going to show you. But there it is, folks. Thank you very much.